morning. So this time it's Sunday, but when I saw the weather forecast of like fog and then sunshine, I just had to come out here to the lake. And I think the weather conditions look pretty good today. So maybe we have like a beautiful foggy sunrise. Let's enjoy the show. So it finally happened. After trying quite a few times, I made it and I catch like a sunrise and fog with the right amount of sunshine and fog and not like one without the other. And so I'm really happy, but that doesn't mean that I won't come here for sunrise again, because I think every sunrise and every like fog situation is different and worth seeing. But now let's head home and eat breakfast. It's been about 2 hours since I got up this morning. So I think it's time to head back. I got an exciting package today for our kitchen, but let me get some scissors to open it up. So what we have here is 5 kilograms of nuts from Kibana, the sponsor of today's video. I've collaborated with them in summer, I think, already. And so maybe you're familiar with this brand, but if not, I do want to, share what they are. So Kibana offers nuts and fruits mostly from all over the world, but in a more sustainable way. So what they're doing is they're partnering directly with the farmers, and they really pay attention to their supply chain. So they try to make sure that it is as short as possible. Because that way you can save a lot of emissions, you can save a lot of packaging, and by partnering with them directly instead of having a supply chain where it's maybe 10 steps, fair trade is kind of taken to the next step of making sure that every party involved gets their cut, their appreciation, and what they need from this business deal. So if you're interested in trying this more sustainable, more ethical way of approaching nuts and fruits, I will link you Kibana down below. They're available in a lot of European countries, and I also have a code for you which I'm going to link down below as well. Now I'll put these things in the glasses where we usually store them, and the rest of it is gonna just go into storage here, because this is enough for, I don't know, 1 or 2 months maybe, hopefully, we'll see. So I quickly want to mention these cashews. These are broken cashews, so it's not a whole cashew nut. And in my last video where I collaborated with them, I actually like kind of told the story of the cashew nuts. I'm gonna link that up here for you to see, but it's incredibly how complicated, toxic and unsustainable the journey of like a regular cashew nut is. So I highly recommend you check it out. And I just always take the broken cashew because they're less expensive, and actually I don't care. We're already in the kitchen and talking about nuts, so there's something else I wanted to share with you. Do you see what we have here? So if you remember my last vlog and the whole walnut fiasco, I highly recommend you check it out, and I'm gonna link it up here for you as well. But so my boyfriend talked to his grandma and told her about this walnut fail. And then my grandma met with a friend and talked to them about walnuts. And they have a walnut tree. And so they gave my boyfriend's grandma walnuts, which he gave to us. And now I have walnuts. So let's see if we're more successful with these walnuts today. So apparently there are just a few things I also did wrong last time. So one of them being, I think they just weren't walnuts, they were a lot heavier, and they definitely had a bit of a different kind of like skin. And the other being you have to let them dry, which I didn't do. And then also I think it was also my boyfriend's grandma, she said that walnuts this year did just not turn out well. And it's definitely true to some extent because like half of the ones that I crack open are just like small and black and like not good. But there are some good ones in here. So we're gonna crack walnuts, and there's already some I've cracked that look good. So it's a success this time, I would say. Whoa. That was not good. Nope. Nope. Okay. A lot of bad ones. Ah, this one looks good. It's another day and I chose this angle to like quickly film this shot. It's quite a mess here. My hair desperately needs to be washed. I have so much to do today and this week and maybe up to the end of the year in general. But before ending this vlog, I wanted to give you an update on like my knitting business things. So to be honest with you, I really thought I would be done with this scarf that I started, I guess, like 2 months ago now, by now. But it is not done yet. But almost. I'm like really at the last few centimeters or inches. And I think it's turning out beautifully. I'm gonna wear it, like, I'm gonna show you. It's this really, really wide black ribbed scarf. And when you wear it, it's like super cozy and like a lot of fabric, really keeps you warm. I think it looks great. It's very like minimal, wow. But the yarn, I tell you, it's not fun working with this yarn, and it's like tied into my basket here. I'm actually really looking forward to finishing this scarf, but it's gonna turn out beautiful. Wow, it's like really warm. It's really warm. It's like very soft merino wool. This is also the end of this vlog. I am happy you're still here and watching. I think it feels like it's been a bit shorter, maybe not in minutes, but in things happening. I hope you still enjoyed it. I also want to remind you to not forget to check out Gabbana. It's linked down below, as well as the code for 10 euros off for every order above 40 euros. And now I do want to link you a video here that I hope you'll check out. And then I'll also hope to see you in my next video. There will be a few more videos in December, so I hope you look forward to that. I hope you have a lovely time, maybe a bit of snow, and I see you next time. Bye!